Week 8 sound. Henry had hat, his hat. Henry had hen, his hen. Henry had hog, his hog. Henry had hay, his hay. Okay, listen to the words and see if you can write them in. Henry had a hat. His hat was big and fat. Henry had a hen. His hen was in a pen. Henry had a hog. His hog was on a log. Henry had some hay. His hay blew away. I'll read it again because it was a bit tricky. Henry had a hat. His hat was big and fat. Henry had a hen. His hen was in a pen. Henry had a hog. His hog was on a log. Henry had some hay. His hay blew away. Now turn over the page to the next page and try and write that by yourself. All of this again, all by yourself. Try and write it without copying. That would be really good. Have fun with Henry.